In this video analysis, we're going to cover stock ticker symbol OSW, OneSpaWorld Holdings Limited. We are going to take a look at the monthly chart first. As you can see, back in March of this year, during the COVID pandemic scare, there was 3 strong months of sell-off. Even before that, back in January and February, it was a big sell-off, and then the pandemic just took it to a whole new level, to all-time lows, even below all-time lows. Price is very cheap down here. It's dropped as low as $2, and that is the perfect time to use supply and demand. Any time is the best time to use supply and demand trading, but in this case, this is a prime example of what supply and demand trading is. It's when price is so cheap that you just want to buy. When you go to the store and meat costs $10, but now they slashed their prices for whatever reason to $5. Now you can buy 2 packs of meat instead of just 1. So that's the case right here. Price has gotten so cheap, $2 mark, and now investors and hedge funds and big banks and professional traders, they're starting their position. They're starting to buy up their position, and this is going to rally all the way to the monthly supply zone. So there's no obstacles in between here. So this is a good long-term play if you have investments that you want to potentially make. This is a good long-term play. Just remember, I'm not a professional trader or financial advisor, so make your own decisions. But for me, this looks like a good long-term play for me because there's room for price to go all the way up. All the way up here. So we will see what happens on the weekly lower time frame and see if there's any better entry. So we have this pretty good zone that formed right here, and it's an uptrend. There's no supply zones in between here, so lots of room to the upside if price wants to keep going up. On the daily, we have very strong gap up, strong demand zone right here. There's potential shorts right here, but these are not very strong because, as you can see, that's, there's a strong gap down here, but no other obstacles at all on the weekly, especially on the monthly. There might be one right here, but by that time happens, it's gonna be very weak. All the sellers are going to leave that area already, and the next one is up here. When it's too expensive up here, $17 is the market has decided that this is too expensive of a stock at $17. So we will see what happens. This is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps the channel a lot. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for your support.